Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the SIM card or the SIM contact problem in your device Realme GT Neo 3 5G. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the SIM card, like your contacts are not showing or not working, you can solve it by the methods I will show you in this video. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the SIM problem in your device. Let's watch the video.